Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. In today's video, I am going to make two simple DIYs. First one is a vertical garden wall hanging planter and another one is a hanging planter. You can even use as a tabletop planter. Okay, let's start the video. For the first DIY, I used a LIZOLE container. Mark the curve shape and cut the top part of the container with the use of a hot knife. Bend the edges with the help of the candle. Do this process carefully. Don't overburn it. Make two holes on the back side of the container with the help of a hot aluminium wire. Give two layers of acrylic white color coating to the container. If you have chalk paint or gesso, you can use that also. After two layers of coating, trace the picture, or you can directly sketch it to the container as I did. For the leaves, I gave a base coat of lemon yellow and then sap green, and finally with the mix of sap green and burnt sienna for the dark part. If you are new to my channel and watching the video without subscribing, please do subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to know the latest video uploads. For the flower, I am using mix of crimson red and burnt sienna or brown color for the darker part. For the petal, I am using crimson red mixed with white color to get this pinkish shade. Finally, outlining with the mix of crimson red and burnt sienna. After coloring part is over, give a coat of clear varnish so that these colors will stay longer. Insert a aluminium wire to the back side of the planter and hang it to the wall. So our wall hanging planter is ready. If you want, you can make it a magnetic planter by pasting magnet and applying M-seal to the back side of the planter. Then you can stick this planter to the fridge also. I hope you like it. Tell me through comment if you like. For the next DIY, I am using a glass bottle. You can use any shape bottle and some wooden skewers. Measure the skewers to 6 inch and cut it. Here I am using 6 skewers. If you have thick skewers, you can use 3. Attach these 2 wooden skewers with glue gun and stick all the 3 sides to form a triangle shape. Stick all the sides with glue gun. Our base triangle is ready. Insert this upper part of the LIZOLE bottle to the glass bottle and cut in this way using a hot knife. This ring is loose, so I will make it tight by melting the plastic with the help of the candle and then placing back to the bottle and then pressing it. With the help of the aluminium wire, I will make 2 holes. Make a loop on both sides of the aluminium wire and insert it to the hole of the ring. Now again using the same process, cutting wooden skewers. The height of the skewer is 7 inch. Cut it and paste it in the same way as we did before. Now by placing this wooden stick or skewer to the base triangle, the structure of the planter will be ready. Stick all the sides with glue gun. Color it by using black acrylic color and hang the bottle to the structure in this way. Attach a rope to the upper side of the triangle and hang the planter. You can use colorful pebbles or water jelly balls for this process. In this planter, I use some colorful pebbles and some water. As money plant does not require much water, you can add some water after 2 or 3 weeks. And this type of planters are easy to maintain. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you all for your valuable comments. Thank you for watching.